Hello students, welcome to Isha Tech Foundation. Myself Isha Mahajan, your teacher and trainer. Students, today we will learn that how we can create a table in any word processor. Okay, so I have opened a word processor, that is MS Word, and today we will learn that how we can create a table in a word processor. Okay, so let's start with the topic, how we can create a tables and working with the tables. Okay, so firstly I want to tell you that what is a table. The representation of data in a tabular form is called a table. Thus a table is a collection of rows and columns, and a place where row and column intersect is called cell. Okay, so have a look. So to create a table, firstly we'll go into the insert menu. Okay, here is the option tables. We'll click here. You can see there are many options to create a table. First option is to select rows and columns, and how many rows and columns you'll select, a table is created automatically on your document. Okay, so let's suppose I want to create a table of 3 rows and 4 columns. Okay, and I have selected 3 rows and 4 columns. Okay, you can see now a table is created with 3 rows and 4 columns. Okay, the second option is to create a table. Again, the second option to create a table, again we will go into the insert menu. We'll click on the table option. You can see here is the option insert table. Okay, so when I'll click with the mouse, you can see a dialog box appears on the screen. Okay, and number of columns, how many columns we want. Let's suppose we want 6 columns. And how many rows we want. Let's suppose we want 4 rows. Okay, we have selected our rows and columns. We'll click on OK button. You can see a table is created with 4 rows and 6 columns. Okay, and the third option is, again we will go into the insert menu. Again table option, and here is the option draw table. Okay, with this option we can draw table. Let's suppose I want 4 columns and I want only 2 rows, and I want the last column is bigger. Okay, so you can see we have drawn the table in the document with the 3 options. Okay, so we have 3 ways to create a table. So simply in this video we have created a table. Okay, so in the next video we'll continue that how we can add it and how we can work on it. Okay, till then learn it. Okay, watch it and learn it.